Today I will be showing you how to replace an LCD on an HP Fortis 14G11. Tools needed will be a screwdriver with a PZ00 head from the toolkit, spudger, and then the angle-headed tweezers. And then this bracelet is to keep me grounded to help disperse static electricity. First, you're going to start with unscrewing the bottom cover. Slowly. This unit specifically only has 3 of its total 9 screws. These 3 screws specifically do not need to be removed from the bottom cover, as it will pop out nicely and these screws will stay inside their screw mounts. Let's place that there. Now that we have it open, we are going to unplug the battery here, pull the cable out straight to not damage the cable itself or the pins. This is so that way no power is running through the system while we are performing our repair. So now I will place the bottom cover back onto the unit, turn it over, and open it. The bezel, the plastic holding the screen in here, is attached to the LCD via adhesive. So you're going to want to take your spudger, enter on the outside, twist it up, pop it, and then slowly move it and pop the bezel off. Now that that is done, you can easily remove the bezel as so. The screen specifically, at the top right and left here, there are tabs of adhesive that you can remove using tweezers as found in the toolkit. You'll just want to hook the tweezers in to the adhesive, grab it, and then pull slowly but firmly to ensure that you remove it without tearing the adhesive itself. And we'll set that to the side. And there we go. After that, the LCD will be able to just be easily flipped forward. And then take your spudger yet again, insert it at the bottom here, slowly, so that way you can get it under the sticky tab, pull that up. You can see here, there is a tab you need to flick up that holds the cable in place. Once you flip that up, you can then just pull straight backwards to not damage the pins on the cable or the slot on the LCD. And do whatever you like with your former LCD. And then you'll take your fresh LCD, place it face down, take the cable, make sure the tab is flipped up towards the sticky tab. Place it into the LCD port and firmly push it in. There we go. Flip the tab down, flip the sticky tab down. And now you will take your new adhesive, you'll peel it up like so. Place it as high as you can, so that way you'll have an easier time removing it if you were to need to. This will just let you have easy access to remove the adhesive and LCD again later. And take the tab here, if I can get it, and pull it up. Now you can easily push the LCD back into place. Press it down to make sure that all the adhesive attaches. Take your bezel, line the hinge cover here up to the hinges themselves, and then pop the bezel into place. Going all the way around. And close the unit. We're going to flip back over, pop the bottom cover back off. I'm going to slide the battery back in. The battery port itself does have 2 slots, which helps line the battery cable up to it, so that way you do not damage the port or the cable itself. We will then take the bottom cover, place it back on, pop it into place. And then screw our bottom screws back in nice and tight. Now, to verify that our repair has been successful, flip the unit over, take a 45-watt USB-C charger, place it into the USB-C port on the left, open the unit, and it should come on automatically. As so. And since all we replaced for this unit is the LCD itself, the screen popping on is all the verification we need. Move the cable, and then close the unit.